Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add and remove widgets on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is simply press and hold your finger on an empty space if you want to add a new widget. Then over here at the bottom we have widgets, so we can press on this text and then we can scroll down in order to find different apps that offer some kind of widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify. And now over here we have some example widgets that we can add to our home screen. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So let's press it and then press add. And now we have added our widget. We can also press and hold it in order to relocate it. We can move it around like so. Simple as that. If you want to remove a widget, you want to press and hold it, and then you have the remove button. So if you press on it, then you will remove the widget. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.